Okay, so to be able to access your members area really quickly, what you can do if you have an iOS phone, you could probably do this on Android as well, but you can go ahead and bookmark this to either your phone or you can bookmark it to like Safari. So you just press this little button in the middle of the screen with the arrow pointing up, and then you're going to see the screen. So you can either click to add bookmark, and then it will show up on as soon as you open Safari, or I like to add it to home screen. And you can name it whatever. I'm just going to leave Michelle Marie Fit Courses, add, and then look how easy. So now this is my home screen. So all I do every time I want to access, the program is click on it, and that's it. You can log in. And that is all. Super easy. So hope this helps.